vertical jigging river situation. One being straight braid right to your bait, and where that comes into play is if you're in super snaggy waters, logs, heavy rocks, and you're snagging up all the time and you're breaking off. That way it's way easier to just retie right to the new jig and it's fast. The second way is going from braid to a barrel swivel to about a foot and a half leader of fluorocarbon. Where this comes into play is you eliminate your line twist, and it also is way more durable and abrasive resistance with the fluorocarbon. Another hot tip that we don't talk about too often is fluorocarbon is a lot stiffer line. So when you tie on a jig to braid and a jig to fluorocarbon, they have two different complete actions. So if a fish is really aggressive and they want more of an action, they might want the braid setup more than the fluorocarbon. So keep that in mind and you'll put more fish in the boat.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.